Hello, folks. Welcome to Ethical Empire. Hope you are doing well. So, most of us heard about Nmap tool, and many of us and many of you also know the Nmap tool very well, as it scans the target for open ports, services, versions, scripts running on it. So, definitely scanning is the important part, but saving it as a result, it is also a very important part. In most of the certifications, they asked for a final report, and also in a penetration testing report, you have to submit the final report. The penetration testers also have to submit the final report. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how we can save the result of Nmap scan in different formats for reporting. So let's get started.
Connection established.
So here I am using two machines. The one is my Kali and the other one is Metasploitable. Metasploitable, those who don't know, it is a intentionally vulnerable machine which have lots of loopholes and lots of services ports and scripts running on it. So you can practice on it. So let's get into the Kali. Here also we can log in. Okay, we are logged in. So I will try to get the IP of it. Okay, so here is the IP of my metasploitable machine, that is 192.168.30.128. Let's move back to Kali. Let's make it bigger. Okay, now it is perfect. Now moved on into terminal. Yeah, now we are all set. So first I will scan for the IP, how many ports and how many services running on it. This is the same IP, so I'm going to use it. Okay. So here we can see the lots of ports are open like 21, 22, 53, 80, and 512 and so on. So now we have to save this report or save this scan in a different formats. So first of all I am going to use a normal report format using the command. Uh, let let's make a new directory here. I have a new directory. Okay, it's a directory Nmap Reports. So I'm going to save all the results in it. Let's move to Nmap Reports. Okay, clear it all. Then use the command Nmap uh, hyphen small o capital N. This is the syntax for normal format of report. Then I have to specify the file name. Here I'm going with normal.txt. Then I'm going to click enter. You can see the scan is completed. Check for the saved file. Yeah, here it is normal.txt. Uh, Check for it. Cat normal.txt. Yeah, it is saved. So this is the normal format which basically shows the port state and their services. But if you want more result or more information of the target, so for it you can use the XML format and you can save the saved in the extension of .xml. So here you have to use the command nmap -o hyphen capital X and then specify the file name. I have to save in XML. Okay, you use the extension .xml, then our IP 192.168.30.128. Okay. Okay, our result, as it prints the result in only in normal format or a basic result that Nmap shows, but opening the XML file, let's check on it. Yeah, we're going to use cat xml.xml. Yeah, we can see we have a too many information or too much information like the port protocol, then port ID, state, reason, the reason for time to live, then service name, method, configurations, all we get here. So definitely this result is not in an organized way. So I'm going to print in an organized way. So use the command xsltproc here. Okay, then the file name where you save the result, xml.xml. Then we have to give O for open. Then the output file name, I'm saving in the result dot html. Here you have to use the extension html because we are it is going to be open in the Firefox by default. So here it is. Then we are let's check for it. Is there? Yeah, it is here. Result.html. Then use the command Firefox, and after that result.html. So it is. I think it is restricting to use for in root. So let's go back. Then search for cd and map report. Okay. Then here we have result.html. Then Firefox result.html. So now it will open. So wait for a while. It will open on its own. Okay. So here we can see the result is in most organized way. Here it is scan summary, the command which we have used, then the verbosity we given. Here we haven't used the verbosity and debug level. I'm going to talk in a while. Then addresses, ports, all the open ports here, and the reason. Or if you want to print more specifications like version and extra info, you can use different types of flags there, different types of options there. So this is in a well organized way. You go for it and you can use it. Let's go back into our main part. So I'm going to close it, and again I'm going to move in root. Okay, I'm in it. Let's clear it. Okay, then the next part, if we want to save result in a both normal and XML format, so you can utilize it using it in your own way. Like if you want to use a XML report here or you want to use a .txt report here, so you can use it in a both way according to your needs. So here we have a simple in the same command like nmap dash o capital N, then the definitely the file name. Here I'm giving result normal.txt. Then for XML, here we use hyphen small o capital X, then result.xml, XML result. Okay, then I have to specify the port. Oh, sorry, IP. Let me check IP once again. 30.128. Okay, dot 30.128. Okay, so let hit enter. Check for it. Here we have saved result in both the format, that is result normal.txt, then XML result.xml. Let's open it. Uh, you can see the result in normal format as previous. Then open for .xml result. Okay, so here XML dot XML. Okay, yeah, we are going to open it. You can see the same result which we have previous. Okay, so moving on the next part. So here we you can specify the verbosity mode. So let's clear it up. Here you have command nmap dash p. Then I'm using in a normal format. You can also use it in a XML format, no problem. Then I have to specify the uh, file name, verbose.txt. After that, the IP 192.168.30.128. Finally, I remember. Okay, okay. So here you can see we got some extra information by using the verbose mode. You can also increase the verbose mode by changing its value like hyphen v2 hyphen v3. You can increase the value so you can print more information on it. So let's check for we have saved result or not. Yeah, we have verbose.txt. Let's open it. So here we which we get extra is a reason. You can see like sin add TTL64 for every port it's showing a reason. So this is the use of verbose mode. If you want more information, like this information is not too much sufficient for you, or you need information other than that, so there is an option debug mode. You can also use it. Let me show you. Uh, Pardon. Okay, so same here, like the verbosity mode, you can increase the value. Here I am using D2, you can use D3, no problem. You can increase and you can print more information, no problem. Little bit difference in the information, not too much. Okay, so I'm again saving it in a normal format. You can use XML, no problem. Then the file name, here debug.txt, then the IP 192.168.30.128. Okay, I've written 31. Let's hit enter. So yeah, it is seem quite useful, or it has too many informations. Like if the port is closed, it is also showing that. No problem. Let's move. Let's see it saved or not. Yeah, we have. Let's open cat to debug. Yeah, you can analyze the result. Like if the ports are open, then it is printing uh, more information than the verbose mode. Let me show you. Like here, 8009, it is open. Then it is showing the services version and then the reason. Uh, Another port like 6667, it is open. Then it is showing more information. Okay, here it is also. You can see like the reason like sin app TTL64, and if the port is closed, then it is showing reset TTL64. Okay, so let's move to the next part, that is scanning for specific port. As here you can see that too much ports are it's showing too much ports to us. So if we want a specific port, like let me show you 192.168.30.128. I'm going to perform a Nmap scan on it. Okay, so what if I want to print only a uh, port number 80? If I want to print a result for only a port number 80, then I will specify the port number here and map dash port. Okay, not only 80. If I want to information for 22, 80, 445 of three ports, let me specify here 22, then comma 80. 445. Then, and simultaneously, I want to save these results also. Then here, again, I'm using a normal format. You can use XML, no problem here. In the port.txt, then the IP. Okay, here it is. Let me show you the file is saved or not. We can see the our file name port.txt is saved, cat port.txt. Okay, it is a simple result, no problem. If I want more information on it, so I can specify the flags here, like I want the version running on it, and also the scripts running on it. Now I let him go. Okay, so there is also a one catch you will get in the next part. Okay, you can see it gave us the like version Apache HTTP2, and if there is any script running on it, like here, host script result, it is given here. Let me see it is available here or not. It is saved or not. ls, then cat code.txt. Okay, so it gave us more information, and we also saved only that result which we want, not too much information like in the debug mode or in the verbose mode. We are not printing or saving all the result. We are saving all the only the specified polls. Here you can see one more thing, that we have already saved the poll.txt file, but when we again use the same file and save the different result in the file, it overrides the file. Instead of appending the result in it, it overrides the file. So in the next part of the Nmap remote format, I'm going to cover these parts like greppable, append, these all the parts, these all the report format you are going to see in the upcoming Nmap report format part. So this is all for this video. Until next time, stay secure, stay curious, and keep exploring the fascinating world of cybersecurity. See you soon.